Dear 12th class students, I have told you in previous video properties related inverse trigonometric functions. I have told you first property में first sin inverse sin x equal x. I wrote here theta, sin inverse sin theta equal theta. Here condition apply, theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Theta belongs to, here applied condition minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Second, cos inverse cos theta equal theta. Here condition applied, theta belongs to closed interval 0 pi. Third property, tan inverse tan theta equal theta. Theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Fourth property, cosec inverse cosec theta equal theta. Here condition applied, theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2 minus 0. Since far angle 0 degree, cosec will not be defined. Fourth, this is fourth property. Fifth, sec inverse sec theta equal theta when condition applied, theta belongs to closed interval 0 pi minus pi by 2. Next, cot inverse cot theta equal theta. Here applied condition, theta belongs to open interval 0 pi sin inverse theta equal theta. Here theta will be the value of any angle for sine. So here applied condition, theta belongs to closed interval minus 1 1. Next, cos inverse theta equal theta. Here condition applied, theta belongs to also closed interval -1 1. Theta belongs to closed interval -1 1. Third, tan inverse theta equal theta, and theta belongs to here r. किसी भी एंगल के टेंजेंट की वैल्यू माइनस इनफाइनाइट टू इनफाइनाइट होती है, मीन्स आर होती है, एंड हियर थीटा रिप्रेजेंट value of the any angle for tangent. So here condition applied, theta belongs to r. Theta belongs to r minus open interval -1 1. Fifth, sec inverse theta equal theta, and theta belongs to r minus, दोनों में सेम, कोसेक में भी और सेक में भी, थीटा belongs to r minus open interval -1 1. बच्चों, कोसेक और सेक की वैल्यू -1 1 तो हो सकती है, लेकिन -1 और 1 के बीच नहीं होती है, इसे ध्यान रखिए। 6 पार्ट cot inverse theta equal theta, and here applied condition theta belongs to r. जो tan इनवर्स थीटा में कंडीशन अप्लाई है, वही यहाँ भी अप्लाई होगी। नेक्स्ट, I am going to tell you in this video property 3. Property 3. Here first property, sin inverse -x equal minus sin inverse x, minus sin inverse x, and here condition applied, x belongs to closed interval -1 1. X belongs to closed interval -1 1. Second property, tan inverse -x equal minus tan inverse x. Tan inverse -x equal minus tan inverse x. Here x belongs to r. Third, cosec inverse -x is equal to minus cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse -x is equal to minus cosec inverse x, and here x belongs to r minus open interval minus 1 1. T prove first property. Sin inverse minus x equal minus sin inverse x. For proving this, let sin inverse minus x equal theta. Then we may write minus x equal sin theta, and we may write this x equal minus sin theta, or x equals sin minus theta, since you know that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Here apply this formula. Next we may write minus theta equals sin inverse x, and theta equal minus sin inverse x. Put the value of theta, sin inverse minus x, here we get sin inverse minus x equal minus sin inverse x. Hence proof. Similarly, you will prove property second and third. Next, property 4. Cos inverse minus x. प्रॉपर्टी 4 में फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी cos इनवर्स माइनस x इक्वल पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स x, and here applied condition x belongs to closed interval minus 1 1. X belongs to closed interval minus 1 1. Second, cot inverse minus x equal pi minus cot inverse x, and here applied condition x belongs to R. Third, sec inverse minus x equal minus pi minus sec inverse x. Sec inverse minus x equal pi minus sec inverse x, and here applied condition x belongs to R minus open interval minus 1 1. क्योंकि किसी भी एंगल के सेक की जो वैल्यू होती है वो रियल होती है, लेकिन माइनस 1 1 कभी नहीं हो सकती है. सो सेक इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इक्वल पाई माइनस सेक इनवर्स एक्स में अप्लाइड कंडीशन एक्स बिलोंग्स टू आर माइनस ओपन इंटरवल माइनस 1 1. See prove first property. cos inverse minus x equal pi minus cos inverse x. Here let cos inverse minus x equal theta, then here minus x. We may write here minus x equal cos theta, or x equal minus cos theta, or x equal cos pi minus theta. Since you know that already in second quadrant cos with the negative, so we may write here cos pi minus theta. Here we may write pi minus theta equal cos inverse x, or we may write here theta equal pi minus cos inverse x. Put the value here, theta equal cos inverse minus x. We may write here cos inverse minus x equal pi minus cos inverse x. बच्चों यहाँ जान रहे हैं जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ आएगी जिसका ये cos इनवर्स फाइंड करेंगे वो निश्चित रूप से -1 और 1 के बीच होगी, यानी क्लोज इंटरवल -1 में होगी. सो हियर अप्लाइड कंडीशन x बिलोंग्स टू closed interval -1 hence true. Similarly you will prove second and third property. Next I tell you question from exercise 2.1. Here given question in exercise 2.1. निम्नलिखित के मुख्य मानों को ज्ञात कीजिए. यहाँ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस गिवन हैं और प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. This is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Cos inverse 1/2. This is given inverse trigonometric function cos inverse 1/2. No, sorry, here given first question sin inverse -1/2. Sin inverse -1/2. Let sin inverse -1/2 equal theta, then we may write sin theta equal -1/2. This we may write as sin theta equal minus sin pi/6. So we may write here sin theta equals sin minus pi/6, since you know already sin minus theta equal minus sin theta. So we may write here sin minus pi by 6. We get here theta equal minus pi by 6, which belongs to principal value branch of sin inverse closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. So here principal value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus pi by 6. This is answer. बच्चों, जो इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस के प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच हैं वो याद रखने होंगे, और जो भी एंगल फाइंड करेंगे उसी ब्रांच में होगी तभी वो प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होगी, अदरवाइज प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू नहीं होगी और क्वेश्चन का जो सॉल्यूशन होगा वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, cos इनवर्स अंडर रूट 3 बाई। क्वेश्चन 2, cos इनवर्स अंडर रूट 3 बाई 2 and here also finding principal value of this inverse trigonometric function. So let cos inverse root 3 by 2 equal theta. So we may write here cos theta equal cos, first write here cos theta equal root 3 by 2. Next we may write here cos theta equal cos pi by 6, cos pi by 6. Since you know that value of cos pi by 6 equal to root 3 by 2, so we get theta equal pi by 6, which belongs to closed interval 0 pi, which principal value branch of cos inverse. So principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2 equal to pi by 6. This is answer. Next क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता हूं। यू सी एंड अंडरस्टैंड वेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, गिवन इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन cosec इनवर्स 2, let cosec inverse 2 equal theta, then we may write cosec theta equal to, then we may write here cosec theta equal cosec pi by 6, cosec pi by 6, and here theta equal pi by 6, which belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2 minus 0, जो कोसेक इनवर्स ब्रांच की प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच है, थीटा इक्वल पाई बाई 6 बिलोंग्स करता है। सो प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू of cosec inverse 2 is equal to pi by 6. Next, question number 4, tan inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse minus root 3, principal value branch of tan inverse be the open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So यहाँ जो एंगल फाइंड करेंगे वो ओपन इंटरवल माइनस पाई बाई 2 में होनी चाहिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, tan इनवर्स माइनस रूट 3 for finding principal value of this inverse trigonometric function. Let tan inverse minus root 3 equal theta. Then we may write this tan theta equal minus root 3, tan theta equal minus tan pi by 3, and here we may write tan theta equal tan minus pi by 3, since you know also tan minus theta equal minus tan theta. Here we get theta equal minus pi by 3, which belongs to open interval minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So this is principal value of tan inverse minus root 3. This is answer. Next, question number 5, cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. बच्चों, जो भी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन गिवन है और प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तुरंत उस इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन की प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच माइंड में आ जानी चाहिए, तभी क्वेश्चन को सही सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। cos इनवर्स माइनस 1 by 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, cos इनवर्स minus 1 by 2. Let cos inverse minus 1 by 2 equal theta. Then we may write here cos theta equal minus 1 by 2. We may write here cos theta equal minus cos pi by 3. Since value of cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, this we may write cos theta equal cos pi minus pi by 3. Here write as minus cos pi by 3, since you know that principal value branch of cos inverse, principal value branch of cos inverse belongs to closed interval 0 pi. So here we write minus cos pi by 3, as cos pi minus pi by 3, we get cos theta equal cos 2 pi by 3, and we get theta equal 2 pi by 3, which belongs to closed interval 0 pi. So this is the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2. This is answer. Next, till question number 10 you solve yourself, and if any problem then send photo this WhatsApp number 9795016558. Next, you see question number 11. निम्नलिखित के मान ज्ञात कीजिए. Here finding value of following. Question number 11. tan inverse 1 वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, ये एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है, प्लस cos इनवर्स माइनस 1 by 2 प्लस sin इनवर्स minus 1 by 2. Here came three terms. First is tan inverse 1, second cos inverse minus 1 by 2, and third sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Here first we write principal value of tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4. So we get here pi by 4. Since pi by 4 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2, so pi by 4 is the principal value of tan inverse 1. Similarly, cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse cos 2 pi by 3. Since you know that cos 2 pi by 3 equal minus 1 by 2, and 2 pi by 3 belongs to closed interval 0 pi, so we get here 2 pi by 3, and this belongs to closed interval 0 pi, so this is the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Next, write sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to sin inverse sin minus pi by 6 is equal to minus pi by 6. Since this belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2, so minus pi by 6 is the principal value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Now put the principal value of tan inverse 1, cos inverse minus 1 by 2, and sin inverse minus 1 by 2 in given expression, we get value. Now put the value of tan inverse 1. Value means principal value, tan inverse 1 cos inverse minus 1 by 2 and sin inverse -1/2 in given expression. We get pi/4 plus of tan inverse 1. We put pi/4 and on plus cos inverse -1/2. We put 2pi/3 plus 2pi/3 plus sin inverse -1/2 minus pi/6. Simplify this. Pi/4 plus 2pi/3 and here minus pi/6. Here LCM 4, 3 and 6 will be 12. Here 3 pi plus 8 pi, 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 pi minus 2 pi is equal to 11 pi minus 2 pi, 9 pi divided by 12. 3 3 ja 12, 3 4 ja 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. So we get 3 pi/4 and this is the value of given expression. This is answer. Next question number 12. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है cos inverse 1/2. This is question number 12. Cos inverse 1/2 plus 2 sin inverse 1/2. Direct we can write here cos inverse cos pi/3 plus here given 2 sin inverse 1/2. 2 sin inverse 1/2. Correct this. 2 sin inverse 1/2. 2 sin inverse sin pi/6. We get here pi/3 plus 2 pi/6. Here sin inverse sin theta will be equal to pi/6. We may write here 2 into pi/6. 3 is equal to 2 pi/3. This is answer. Next question number 13. Sin inverse x equal y. यहाँ ऑप्शन गिवन है और बताना है कौन सा करेक्ट है. Sin inverse x equal y. Sin inverse x equal y means y be the angle. So here option B correct. Y is greater or equal minus pi/2 is less or equal pi/2. यहाँ sin inverse x की जो प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच है उसे चेक करना है कौन सी है. ऑप्शन बी में गिवन है y greater or equal minus pi/2 is less or equal pi/2. So option B will be correct. Question number 14. वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है tan inverse √3 minus sec inverse 2. Tan inverse √3. Question number 14. This is question number 14. Tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. Here find principal value of tan inverse root 3. We may write here tan inverse tan pi by 3. Since value of tan pi by 3 equal root 3, we get pi by 3. Since this value is belongs to open interval minus pi by 2, so this is the principal value of tan inverse root 3. Next, find principal value of sec inverse minus 2. We may write sec inverse minus sec pi by 3. This we may write sec inverse sec pi minus pi by 3. Since principal value branch of sec inverse प्रिंसिपल, मैं बार बार इसे लिख रहा हूं इसलिए जिससे आप सभी को अच्छे से याद रहे। ब्रांच ऑफ sec inverse be the closed interval 0 pi minus pi by 2. We get sec inverse sec 2 pi by 3. We get 2 pi by 3, who is the belongs to closed interval 0 pi minus pi by 2, who is the principal value branch of sec inverse. So this is the principal value of sec inverse minus 2. Now put the value of tan inverse root 3 and sec inverse minus 2 in given expression. We may write pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. This is answer. Next, given here other important questions, and question number 14 is objective questions. Here given option B minus pi by 3 correct है। Other important questions, first question, this is objective question, sin inverse x का प्रांत है। बच्चों ध्यान देना, यहाँ sin inverse x का प्रांत पूछ रहे हैं और प्रांत जो sin x का डोमेन है वो प्रांत होगा sin inverse x का, और sin x का डोमेन नो, जो sin x का रेंज है वो sin इनवर्स x का डोमेन होगा, और sin x की रेंज क्लोज इंटरवल -1 है। सो sin इनवर्स x का डोमेन क्लोज इंटरवल -1 होगा। हियर ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, sin इनवर्स 2x का प्रांत बताना होगा। sin इनवर्स 2x का प्रांत, sin इनवर्स 2x का डोमेन बताना है। हियर डोमेन ऑफ 2x, डोमेन ऑफ 2x belongs to closed interval minus 1 1. So x belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. So here option third is correct. Question number 3, cos inverse 2x minus 1 का प्रांत, cos inverse 2x minus 1 का डोमेन फाइंड करना है। All of these questions multiple choice questions. Cos inverse, this is question number 3. Cos inverse 2x minus 1. Since here 2x minus 1 डोमेन बताना है, since domain of 2x minus 1 belongs to closed interval minus 1 1. This we may write as 2x minus 1 is greater or equal minus 1 but is less or equal 1. Here we add plus 1, we get 0. Here 2x and here 2 is less or equal 2. So we get here x is greater or equal 0. By dividing 2 we get x greater or equal 0 and is less or equal 1. So here we represent this as interval, closed interval 0 1, closed interval 0 1. Here given option first, so first is correct. Equal, we may write as interval, closed interval 0 1. Similarly, you try yourself remaining questions of this exercise. That's all in this video. Soon I will meet with next video. All the best.